Today is a beautiful day to go back out in the garden and see what we have. So let me show you guys my fancy trellis. Now this is my first year doing this, things on a trellis, and I think it seems to be doing pretty well, especially for my watermelon. They seem to really like it. As you can see, I have a couple watermelon growing here. This is a giant watermelon. I have a sugar baby that I also wanted to check the other day. So I have to come out here almost every day and trellis these things up here because they somehow lost their way. This, I believe, is this is a crimson sweet. Now I need to put more trellis, as you can see, all the way up here, but I'm not too worried about that. I just want to come in here and show you guys my sugar baby that is pretty much almost done. It's pretty big. I have it hanging in a sling. And here's the tendril right there, which looks about dried, actually. Right there. Looks about dried. I also have a couple jubilees. This one's a jubilee, which is getting pretty big. This is a jubilee right here. I'm trying to show you off my hand. And then here's another one I found. I also put it in a sling. Not nearly as big, but getting there. Look at that one. I got that one hanging too. Anyway, so this is my little trellis that I started doing this year. This is my cucumbers. Ouch. I haven't seen any cucumbers yet. But it looks like that one is gonna grow. I actually hand pollinated that one just to see if the bees were coming. But I don't see any actually growing yet. Looks like that one was pollinated too. Look at this, it's like a jungle in here. I do trim back these leaves every once in a while, but haven't done it so far. These are like gourds or something that I planted for my chickens. I plant also for my chickens, they get good stuff too. Show you my squash that's growing. Got some yellow neck squash and zucchini growing. I also have some corn growing, not over here, all the way over here. These are also watermelon, but they're not nearly doing as well as the ones over there. But here's my corn. As you can see, look how big it's getting. My little cornfield, corn patch. It's all one stalk. Got a couple little sunflowers here. This is a sunflower, and that's a sunflower right there. These are all my watermelons, but not nearly doing as good as the other ones. Now these I all grew from seed. That one's dying. Gotta pull that one out. Could try to save it. I also have some more yellow neck squash over here. I actually don't know what that is. Now, let me know, guys. When do you pick these things? This is my first year growing actual squash. And they're doing absolutely fabulous. I don't know if all squashes are like that. It's cantaloupe. Here I have some peppers. Got some spicy peppers, bell peppers. I also have apple trees. They're doing nice. I'll show you guys the apple tree over here. Hi, Chasey. Got an apple tree over here. Got 3 apple trees over here, actually. And some more tomatoes. These ones, I just have a lot of tomatoes this year, and I didn't know where to plant them, so I planted them inside these little holes here around the bed. They seem to be doing okay. I mean, they would be better in something bigger, but I just didn't know. I'd rather them be like this than not have them at all. Anyways, this is a Red Delicious. This one is a Macintosh. This is Granny Smith all the way over here. Alrighty, so these are my 2 tomato garden beds. This is a big sunflower, mammoth sunflower that has a whole bunch of little heads growing at every stalk. This is my Meyer lemon tree that I bought at fastgrowingtrees.com. It does have lemons on it. See, there's one right there. It does have lemons on it. And now we're gonna go in here and show you my tomatoes. So these are husky cherry tomatoes, which I see one that's ripened right there. These are also cherry tomatoes. This whole thing is starting to ripen. There's more in there. There's a whole lot in here actually that I need to come and pick. And these are my purple Cherokee tomatoes. I also have some bush beans and peas in here. There's my peas. I have some yellow pears. This is all looking like new growth on these bush beans. I have some golden wax green beans, which are actually pretty good. I eat them in I grilled, pretty good. Some more peas, some more purple Cherokee. This is the massive sunflower. And let me show you in the other bed. The other bed is not done with wood, but it will be. See, I gotta like go in here and clean this whole mess up. Here's our fig tree. It actually has figs on it. There's a couple figs right there. Figs, figs, figs. Here's the sunflower that just opened today. And chives, herbs. This whole thing comes in the winter time, so I also have something to use as far as like herbs and fresh herbs. Now this is a watermelon, and don't know what to do with it. It's pretty buried in there, and don't know if I should like build something over here and let it trellis up like that, or I should just leave it and let it like do its thing, and when it starts growing the fruit, just support it underneath something. But yeah, this is my garden, guys. I hope you guys like it. This is just a little quick tour of it. Some more cherry tomatoes, yellow pears, bush beans. Yeah, these are all bushed out all the way over here, actually. And this is this meaty stalk right here. I can show you guys my potatoes and my roses, too. Got a hibiscus flower right there. Got some roses, which I do need to come and deadhead these roses. Some more roses, hibiscus, this is a weed. Roses, 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 hibiscus. And all these buckets are my tomatoes. Not tomatoes, potatoes. Potatoes. I do need to put more soil in them. But it looks like they're starting to grow their flowers, which is pretty neat. This is my second or third year growing potatoes in 5-gallon buckets. But yeah, I've had like success with the bucket method. I do want to do something bigger, like a 55-gallon drum or something. But not really too sure yet how we want to do it. But I hope you guys liked this tour. Last year my garden wasn't so pretty. But this year I feel a lot more confident in showing you guys what's going on in my garden. And as I hope you guys enjoy this video, make sure you guys give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you aren't already. And I can't wait to make more fun videos about harvesting watermelons. Alrighty guys, see you guys next time. Bye!